that this pride is marched behind this banner around the globe.
An annual part of our history at the New York City Pride March. And check out the 50th balloon arches right here, number 50. These 6 arches are made up of nearly 2,000 balloons. Have also added the transgender pride colors.
Pose is a dance musical set in the 1980s that explores the juxtaposition of life and society in New York. The ball culture, the rise of Trump era, and the downtown social and literary scene. Joining us today, Dominique Jackson, India Moore, and MJ Rodriguez. And subsequently donated the original flag to the Smithsonian Institution in 2014.
Heritage of Pride.
And where pride lives. With Brooklyn
If you love who you love, love who you love. Don't listen to anybody. Come to New York, come to Pride. You need to experience this. If somebody's telling you in your life that you can't experience this, that you're wrong for loving who you love, they're wrong. It's your choice. Love who you love.
Happy Pride. Clap your hands.
So thank you to the New York State Council on the Arts for making New York as fabulous as it is.
Let's please welcome the Gay Liberation Front, which was the very first LGBTQ activist organization formed after the Stonewall Rebellion. We're the world's largest producer and provider of downloadable. There you go.
Amazing. Like it was so close to Columbus, so we were like, we have to come. Our friends live here, so it is awesome to be here and like seeing what the people before us like fought for so long, and to be here today and like watching like 4 million people here in the city is like amazing.
New Jersey and Long Island. Thank you, Imperial Court of New York.
You feel a lot lot of pride being in front of Stonewall and knowing how much change has happened, but then you also realize that today still in much of this country you can get married to a person of the same sex on Monday and then go to work on Tuesday and be fired because now they know you're gay, and that's perfectly legal.
Well, you know, this is an important anniversary right now, the 50th anniversary of Stonewall. And as a first trans person to be elected in Colorado and the fourth person to be elected in the country, it's really important to be visible. And that's what this particular march is all about. It's about more about visibility.
We are still fighting, not only for our basic rights, but we want to challenge. We are doing our best to challenge the structures and the institutions that have actually continued to oppress us.
This year is particularly good because for the first time we passed the Equality Act in the House of Representatives a couple of weeks ago. The first act that would declare LGBTQ people equal in all ways, to ban every form of discrimination. We passed it in the House, and God willing, in January of 2021, we'll pass it in the Senate, and somebody not named Donald Trump will sign it into law.